Shallot. Hello. Hello. Hey. Shallot no zifori Mr. Rego ba one bobuya. Bobuya ndo babona Murovha. Ya ndikuti ndivhudzira uri hanefho mangani une na vha hone ni songo tshabva na mbenzisa zwezwo ngori na tobva vha ḓo ni vhulaya. Ya.
Mr. Rego.
Angobona chipuku. Rego zvakuma.
Ufunani?
Uka Shallot.
Yeah.
What is she?
I don't know, Mr. Rego.
Nakufana na ruona. Chinogandisa mboni.
Mr. Rego, she escaped, Mr. Rego.
Emashubisa.
Mr. Rego.
Nazondi kurusa bugai ngongana kana Shallot.
Mr. Rego, ndiyazvidiva.
Ngombuza mini ni?
Mr. Rego.
Emashubisa ngombuza mini?
Totobayiseya, Mr.
Uka Shallot.
Mr. Rego.
What is she?
Kanjani? One mistake nje, Mr. Rego. Mr. Rego.
Hello. You are Mr. Rego, right?
What do you want, girl?
My name is Mimi. I'm Shallot. In fact, I was Shallot's friend before she took the love of my life. So when I saw you earlier on, I knew that you were looking for her. So I'm here to tell you everything I know about her.
Tell me now.
Hi, Mr. Rego. This girl should look familiar. Hey, you, Mimi. Who helped Shallot to escape?
Duplicate. Then I want to duplicate.
Then I know the benefit from all this.
Shallot would ever badger for everything she did to me. And also, I've been wanting to be one of your girls.
Okay.
So, nini kama ndi hapa until what you wanna Shallot. And then after
okay. Let's do this now. Emashubisa.
Mr. Rego.
Kunechimba no mutu.
Boza.
Eni ngwana duplicate zwino.
Yes, boza.
So ita mistake.
Boza.
Chimba na zwino.
No mistake.
Baby, wait. Baby.
Yes, baby, I'm coming.
Look.
Wow. I don't know if they're woman.
Yeah.
Wow. Babe, like all the way nangu vya tuma ambuzore. Otozvitisa nemusi achitamba vangana vawe.
Baby, you're very good.
No, babe, please tell me. Ambuzeka.
Wabona duplicated.
Yeah.
Achifungari angari control. Matskuna mumtrum mopanda. After the mission, oya jila begir machred. I to renindi eka danger. The pretend unga oshawa.
Yes.
The point in your our answers to hela beg in a children. Any Ashijana, I was wanted to tell you, but the one in your boy danger. Lingazundo Musalanambra.
You know, like you are so clever, but okay, who can duplicate it? No, it's fine. You know what? I think for now the matter is only that you and I will love each other.
Yes, Jacob. Hand high. Love you.
I love you too, Shallot.
You know, duplicate. I am so hurt.
I'm so sorry, babe. So sorry.
Shallot was the that I love Jacob, and now she decides to take him away from me.
I'm so sorry, babe. Like, all I'm to any other than the momutu.
No, I want Jacob.
I'm so sorry, friend. I'm so sorry. Sorry.
Alimsiza mimi.
Mr. Rego?
Ako Laura. The Rego Zalkuma.
Damn it, Mimi!
Enough with the chit chat. Where is Shallot?
Shallot! I don't know where is she. Okay. I'm the one who helped Shallot to escape, okay?
I already know. Tell me something I don't know!
Okay. Shallot was a boyfriend of Mangani Lodge, of Jacob.
Jacob? Who is Jacob?
Jacob is,
What couldn't tell me? What couldn't tell me? That's not what I'm going. Fongaragara Shallot. What did I spin? I was screaming. Now I shall say, I want to know the move forward. Hey, keep quiet!
Mr. Rego, ndinyi Mr. Rego. Shallot, ne ndo dada zvino. Wadiva, ukosokoro una muntu unopfi Mr. Rego, wobuya vokumtoda. I'm confused, like I don't know what's going on.
Jacob, ndovenda vamwe wavazana. Ndashava na duplicate. Dovale told me ambona ndava ndichizvitiva uri Mr. Rego vadovuya. And they brought them into a place here where one of Maungani.
Maungani guy?
Manari.
Okay, but Shallot, what do you say? Nah, I'm not scared of anyone.
Jacob, Mr. Rego hasimutu pepo. Mr. Rego uvraya vatu, warinsa vatu. And never one happened. Rikodofa.
No, but if Mr. Rego vachi to do the one vangada ne atwashava.
Jacob, please promise me you'll protect me.
You know what? Machilonge nditubvonda yo mupetu just to protect you.
I got a grind in a hurry and make my instant money. Then make my enemies shiver. Right now I'm kicking some bitches with my nigga Kuchifa.
Welcome with my Jacob.
Yes, Ndina. Danger man.
What are you doing here?
Bro, are you going somewhere?
Bro, don't call me bro. Do you even know the meaning of being called bro?
Look, Danger man. I know I messed up.
For your record, I'm leaving Mangani for good.
Okay, look, Danger man. I know I messed up. And
Hey, shut up. I don't want to do anything with you anymore. So save it.
Look, Danger man. I think I need to tell you this. Now I came here to tell you that Unamutu out there and is trying by all means to kill me and Shallot. So I don't want you to forgive me, but I want you to know that no matter what, you will always be my best friend. And once again, I'm so sorry for everything I did to you.
Please, go. Jacob, go.
Okay.
Nigga, leave.
No, it's okay.
Who is that person?
His name is Mr. Rego.
Oh, come back here.
Later?
Yeah.
Nishapo?
Right.
And then the right.
Yeah.
Eish, nakumrudi sama.
What then?
And then the color for khaira. Yeah. Umunani mdiba.
ya umunna ndiyamdewana mpasa mdivi afho maungani loto duma maungani loto dinanga manda wadinesa
No, it's fine.
ish
No sharp.
yeah
Uri auna umwe fhethu hune ni nga buka hone ngafha.
fhethu buka
Ya, uri to dzula nyana maḓuvha nyana so.
oh yeah na maungani guest house and lodge.
Okay, room zone dzi nice.
Yeah, auna china nga siwane afho la maungani.
Ushap bad ne?
Right isa.
Okay.
Yeah. Renga tuwa ndaenda msumbedza ho.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Kuri bo. Reko vaya na mane mpe nomboro za ndini kile le.
Hey, mimi.
Who are you and what do you want?
Hey, I think I know you.
Yeah, we've met before. Okay, my name is Danger.
Okay, Danger.
Can I see Mr. Rego?
It's not Mr. Rego, it's Mr. Rego.
Hi man, Mimi. Mimi, Bobby Pondo man.
There's something that I have to discuss with Mr. Rego. Mr. Rego, yes.
Mimi, go call Mr. Rego. What do you want here?
Inyana kutoka na Rego. Tisifuni. So bizo sasa tukana za starta. Ngaini?
I am the one who's looking for you, Mr. Rego. My name is Danger. The reason why I'm here to help you to get Shallot back.
Niko wana gain information. Nijidibisani zoniko da Shallot.
The reason why I'm here is because you and I have a mutual enemy. Shallot's boyfriend.
Norumwanganyi.
Listen.
Who sent you?
Listen. You and I have a mutual enemy. Shallot's boyfriend.
Anindibi na Rego.
His name is Jacob. He was my nigga. He betrayed me before. So I want to bring him down.
Repumulani ukambande. I don't work with strangers. You look average to me. Remember, being a criminal does not need an average person. It needs a genius. Lenga shumana Rego na rali.
Fair enough. In case you change your mind, this is my number.
Strong, steady, unstoppable. Nigga.
I still can't believe that you're still avoiding me.
Kubalini.
Nikwende Chipuko. Ndini. Where is she? I hope you know why I'm here.
Yeah. Don't understand those two. Soros an update, Mara.
Where is Shallot?
Yeah, that's all that Shallot. But I didn't promise that. Shallot on the one before the end of this week.
Nichipengo echo. Veke. Yomuna ndi madorani. Niyazvidiva uri atikonuchira ndisina Shallot. Ahuna mumwe muthu onomfusha ufana Shallot.
Amara watu hawafani.
I need Shallot's palm. Naimweni yazvidiva izvo.
Kuba. Veke peti.
Few days ago, ndana chimwe chimwananyana so. Wabuthi bad. Genge dzedzi dzazvile kwinishi. Washarp. Mara ndozvirealize uri sharp ola mwana afana Shallot.
Rikomba zveyo zuri watu hawafani. Tedza ngokompera watu. Watu hawafani.
I need Shallot's palm. Ndizvakwanisa zvona. Ndikomba da Shallot.
Mandoni peni veke.
Yomuna. Sedzana. Only but 3 days. Maduva mararu. Loro manga. Don't talk America, don't guy. Ambe.
Mararu.
Loro manga.
Mararu.
3 days. You know this Shallot cunning. Gosta. I thought the we are William. Gosta. Don't talk America, apart company. I don't know who you have a foot. It's not one is Tokochanga, Shallot Abuye at the cunning. Gosta. Yeah.
So, Danger, ndinga nitira zono nyana.
No, it's okay, I'm fine. Now tell me here, how long have you worked for this guy so-called Mr. Rego?
It's been 2 years.
How dangerous it is?
You're home to Kumbonga Manda. Sinaita ndubulaya abantu.
Interesting. So he works alone or he works with his own people?
Why?
No, relax, baby. We're trying to help you here, okay?
Exactly. We're trying to get some information so that we can use to go against him.
Hasukushumana mtu mwana mumwe. Ushumana watu bane badiva ngayo.
Ndibanga na maybe to say something because I mean
Andi batu bararo besides the client zao.
Who are those people? Are they also in Manare?
Place Manare ni tibeleka yingi.
Well, Shallot, this is not a good time to...
we have to.
Hello. Yes, Danger speaking.
So, whatever.
Guys, I have to go now. We'll finish this later.
So, no,
relax, bro. I'll be fine. Relax. We'll speak this later, right? Relax,
okay.
my guy.
Okay, bro. No, it's fine.
Can I come in?
Ngatusana?
Yes, sir. I want to work for you.
Shumarane? Kwambangami.
I want to be one of your girls. Come on, sir. You can see that I'm gorgeous and clearly you could make a lot of money with me.
About 10 around to run with you. Yeah, unaga. You look so flamboyant and full of purpose.
But what, sir?
What do you mean? So as you know, to go the some, but it's not a promise as well. It's not that you'll be the first one to receive my call. That's my promise for you.
Hush. Okay.
Yeah, don't worry, but my phone is not about. I promise.
Thank you.
Strong, steady, unstoppable.
Danger one arrival.
Dangerous man!
Mr. Rego.
You know what, man? Let's bring down Jacob.
Yeah, bring him down.
Yeah, let's do it. It's Rokada. I rather. Salute.
You're welcome, soldier.
I'm telling you, Jacob. Danger is up to something.
No, baby. I know you are scared, but...
But what? Current temper Jacob, capture our Did you tell him or Mr. Rego Badra Manar?
No, Shallot, like, ka won't it? Mwana mwa kono ni maungani. What they was already Mr. Rego bawana neighbor.
Mara location ya bala mtu private.
Still Mara Shallot, like you cannot occupy. Hello? Sure, danger. Like now. Okay, fed. Babe, they're just calling me now. I'm leaving. And please. Uri I'll be safe. Asongo Vabano Nike room now. And Asongo Vake, please. I'm coming back now.
I'm a soldier in this love war. Carry scars, but I've been through more from the.
Why isn't this bastard coming? Yeah, I'm getting tired.
Relax, he'll be here.
Though he is, he's coming.
Oh,
We can
I
go
hate
now.
this bastard. Okay, bye.
Oh, J-Man.
Oh, danger.
Yo, what's up, man, J?
Tell me, who is that girl? She looks like
Oh, that girl. That is my girlfriend, man.
So what's up?
The reason why I called you here, I just want us to. Oh, wait. I think there's a message. Hey, J-Man, can you borrow me your phone? I'm finna make a call.
No, it's fine. But don't finish up my airtime, eh? Yeah, we can continue. I don't want to go chimbila then.
Hey, baby. Shallot, abo, ndunya gorna msere. Imba. Ndunya gorna msere ngopet ma baby. Rito vanya zi out. And before abo, two the vorch giri changa chigai. Da kombelor adena choruli tangana getenya. Okay, sure, baby.
Kuba. Terry.
Didi, tell me that tunaenda kumbela zone asizone. Shallot! Hello?
Young man, I sent you a location. You know what to do.
Okay, wait. Drop the line. Let's follow the address. Where's my gun? Shallot, my gun. I promise.
Jacob. You don't waste time, ne? I like it.
Where is Shallot?
Mr. Rego.
Kuba.
Check and message yangu.
Oh, my money. But check out the rest of Kuba.
Just the US. Nigga want to cover na Shallot for a job.
What? Oh. No. Hey, no. Young man. Know your place. Yeah, Rego. Buda chenda cha Rego. Know your place, young man. Kuba. I'll just Shallot. Atuena.
Shallot. Let's go, baby.
Hey, time is up. Asodera now. Kuba.
Sure.
No! Shallot!
Sure.
Shallot!
Chama.
Kuba.
Shallot, don't touch Chama.